Hello everyone. In this video, I will be teaching you how to completely reset your computer. What you're going to do is come down to the Windows button at the bottom corner and right-click it, and then click Settings. This will open up your Settings menu. Click Update and Security. While in Update and Security, find the Recovery tab and click it. Underneath Reset This PC, you will click Get Started. When choosing an option, you have to keep in mind two things. If you do not have any important or personal files on your laptop or computer, press Remove Everything. This will delete every file on your computer. If you do have personal files that you would like to keep, press Keep My Files. When you're choosing how to reinstall Windows, if you know that you have a copy of Windows 10 or 11, click Local Reinstall. If you don't know whether or not that is true, click Cloud Install. After that, you will click Next. If you are using a laptop, make sure that it is currently charging while this is happening. When you click Next, your computer should start to reset, and it will restart multiple times as it deletes files and starts to re-download your Windows, and it'll be like you have a fresh PC or laptop to use, just like when you bought it from the store. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!